You've probably heard the word cryptocurrency buzzing around, and you might be wondering, what on earth is it? Fear not. Today, we'll break it down for you in the simplest way possible. Cryptocurrency at its core is a form of digital or virtual money. Unlike the physical notes and coins you carry in your wallet, cryptocurrency exists purely online. Imagine a digital ledger that records all transactions. When someone sends or receives cryptocurrency, it's logged in this ledger. But instead of being held in one place, like a bank, copies of this ledger exist on thousands of computers worldwide. This makes it decentralized. The term crypto comes from cryptography, which means using complex codes to keep information secret. In the world of cryptocurrency, this ensures that transactions are secure and that the digital coins can't just be copied or faked. While there are thousands of cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin is the most recognized. Others, like Ethereum, Ripple, and Litecoin, also play significant roles. Each has its unique features, but all aim to offer secure, decentralized transactions. You can obtain cryptocurrency in a few ways. The most common is buying it on an exchange, which is like a digital marketplace, or you can earn it by providing computer power to validate and record transactions, a process called mining. To store your digital coins, you'd use a digital wallet, which can be on your computer, a special hardware device, or even an app on your phone. Spending it is as simple as the recipient scanning a QR code or you sending it directly to their digital address. Like any investment, there's risk. Cryptocurrency prices can be volatile, and there's also the danger of loss if, for instance, you forget your digital wallet's password. As with all investments, it's essential to do your research and understand what you're getting into. Cryptocurrency offers an exciting glimpse into the future of money, promising faster, more transparent transactions without the need for central banks. As technology advances, who knows what's next? But for now, you're armed with the basics to dive deeper into the world of digital currency. Want to learn more? Subscribe and stay tuned for more beginner-friendly topics.